guys, so today I have to be a little bit quiet because Aaliyah is still sleeping, but today I'm going to be doing just a little day in my life at university. I moved into my university apartment, and if you guys want to watch that video, I'm gonna link it in a card right there. I'm just so excited. Obviously, okay, this is like the update on the room, but I did a whole room tour sort of thing in that video, but also it's gonna change. Like, I need to get stuff on this wall for when I'm filming, and my mirror's right there, and I want to have good stuff in the background for it. Yeah, today I just have like a ton of random errands to do. There's no class yet. I don't have class until the 7th, and today is the 5th. So we just want to get all of the like housekeeping little items done. I always somehow say that word housekeeping in these types of videos, and I got this. I mention this in every video now. I got it on Amazon, and it actually is really nice. Like, it's really durable. Liv and I this morning are going to go find where her classes are because she's at a new building. So we're just gonna go do that, get some groceries, maybe get some furniture, just try to like settle in a little bit more. Comment down below on a scale from 1 to 10 how this new back to school season is going for you. Like, I feel like this is the best back to school season I've ever had, but I'm excited for today just to be productive and get into a routine. I'm taking a Snapchat right now. Thanks, guys. I got these shoes, and they're the cutest shoes I've ever seen. They're the Zion Platform 123, but I'm not gonna wear these out to anything that's gonna like get them dirty because I want these to be my white shoes, and then my Air Forces are now going to be my dirty shoes. But yesterday, somehow, like, Liv, Aaliyah, and I, we were all wearing our Uggs, and on the hottest day, it was literally 30 degrees, and we're like, we're all gonna wear our Uggs, and we were all just matching in our little slippers. Oh, someone's awake. Wait, why does she look so good in the morning? Do you have a good sleep?
Yeah, I feel actually like rejuvenated.
Yeah.
No, I told her, like, if I was sleeping until 2 p.m, like, don't be alarmed. Like, my body.
Yeah, like, do we call the cops? Were we loud? Like, could you hear us in the morning?
No. I was actually like just deep in sleep.
Yeah, because I want to know how loud we can talk here for like you to not hear. Or
like,
for
I
us
could
to
hear
not
you guys in my nap yesterday, but like I'm good at like tuning it out.
This tank top is from Amazon. I will link it down below. It comes in white, but it's actually see-through, so don't get the white one. And then all of my necklaces are Every Jewels. Glasses are Guess. I actually linked my glasses on my Like to Know It. I didn't think that was possible. And then this is from Amazon, and these shorts are from Amazon. My entire outfit's from Amazon.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
We're driving to her campus right now. We thought it was 15 minutes, but it's actually 25 minutes. It's
really far.
Oh, it's a Corvette. Where? Oh,
Right here. Should we drive it? Should we steal it?
we should steal it. My dad's in London right now.
England.
Yeah.
Guys, don't tell them where he is. I'm just kidding.
You guys are gonna go find my dad. Shopping list: shampoo, conditioner, concealer,
Salads, chicken. Because that's all I eat. All I eat for lunch is salad and chicken.
Same.
A few moments later.
We're the most embarrassing people. Like, we need to stop. We were trying to turn left at this intersection.
And there's a pedestrian light. It's a pedestrian light. It's like behind us.
And then there was a big truck, and he stopped. Well, we thought he stopped so that we could turn left. And we were thanking him so much. We were both like, oh my god, thank you so much. You're so nice. We realized the light is just red.
He has a red light. We looked and we're like,
Oh, we were like, thank you so much.
and tell them about your story yesterday.
Okay, so yesterday we were driving around. Liv was like, oh, have you seen Evan's house? Her intention was his like student house because he moved into a new house this year. But I thought she meant like family house. So I started saying, oh my god, yeah, it's like in a country town, and he has nice paneling on the side. And it's kind of like doesn't add on, so it goes like, you know, half one floor and then another. And then she's like, babe, I meant his Waterloo house. Why did I go on and tell you the exact floor plan of his parents' house?
The paneling is so nice.
So because it's a Sadie Aldis vlog, we're at Shoppers. I always end up here. Were you in Champagne?
Were you in Cheyenne?
Yeah, volume, that's what I need. Oh, it's so clean. Wait, I just learned.
There's so many things I can't pronounce.
Can you go through the list?
Rottweiler.
No, you say that right. Rottweiler? Specifically? Wait, what's the other one? Oh, notification.
Specify. Oh, notify.
Notify. Got Booster. We kind of end up doing this whenever we get groceries and it's really hot. I got the spinach is in it.
The spinach is in it.
And the spinach is definitely in it. The question is there anything else in it? It does taste good. Like, if you want a green smoothie, get a spinach is in it. But if you don't, it literally only tastes like spinach. I think getting spinach in it actually helps the blood. Yeah, Kesha. It helps the blood sugar spike. If you get it, it like slows it down because it's fiber. What did you get?
I got mango hurricane. No. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you got
Yeah.
You got mango hurricane.
And I want to eat lunch.
Is this not lunch?
No. Oh, this is a snack.
We just came back from getting groceries. I just posted a brand deal, and what I have to do is basically upload it to the portal, and this is where they can kind of like the company can see how well the post did. So I just have to upload. I did a reel with Best Buy and Like to Know It. That was for like the Nespresso that I just got. I also did a little Like to Know It post for that, and I just have to upload it to the portal. So I basically just have to put the link. The other thing that I have to do is just answer emails. I am currently in the process of making another iOS icon pack. I feel like I should just say that. I feel like I've been alluding to it in a million kajillion videos, but I am making an iOS icon pack, and this one is really special, and I'm really excited. It's coming together. Right now I have the wallpapers and the icons figured out, and now I just need to do the widgets and like the listing photos and stuff like that, but I'm so excited to release that. That should probably be coming out in like a month's time, I think, from this video is uploaded. I decided to not work on my desk just because I want it to be comfy, and it's so hot out today. It's like 33 degrees and I'm dying. So I'm so glad that our AC works so well. I need to upload to the portal right now. I finished doing all of my work, and I just wanted to say I've been editing all of my TikToks because I just saw on my to-do list I wanted to film a TikTok about what watch faces I have on my Apple Watch, because I've just been getting so many questions like what's the watch faces that I like using. So I'm gonna do a TikTok on that. But the thing that I have been editing my TikToks with, which I get so many questions on, is CapCut online video editor. You guys probably know what CapCut is, but they have an online video editor that's free and you can use it on your laptop. It has so many features, and I actually filmed how I edit my reels when I was at my house. So if you're confused why I'm literally sending you back into my house, that's why. Yeah, so I'm gonna insert that right now. I find editing TikToks and reels on my laptop so much easier than editing them on my phone. I don't know if that's just like the YouTuber in me. I feel like a lot of YouTubers will also relate to this. You guys definitely know CapCut. They have an online video editor that's completely free, and you don't need to download any extra like software. So let me just get straight in. The first step is to get in a shirt that is literally a dress. So that's the first step. Actually, no, the first step was to have coffee. I had a hot coffee today. All you have to do is just make an account, and when you go into the editor, it will basically give you all of the aspect ratios that you would ever need. This is actually a game changer. You can just scan this code with your camera, and then you can directly import clips from your phone. This actually has a video upscaler, so it makes the quality better of all of your videos. So here I just uploaded one of the clips, and I just pressed upscale, and this is the after. It is such a crystal clear video. I use this on literally every single clip. They also have a really good video stabilizer. I feel like when I use the auto stabilization tool on other softwares, it makes everything around the object like shake. Like look at that. It just makes it such a nice soft zoom in, and I feel like not a lot of people know about these features, and they're just so easy to use. Like it's all AI, and I think one of the most known features that CapCut has is the auto caption generator. I use this on basically every single one of my TikToks. So this will recognize anything that you're saying in the video, and you can also put auto lyrics. So if I added the song Sunroof to the timeline, I'm going to crop it, and then I will go to captions and auto lyrics. I'll just say generate. So there's no more adding a text and then typing the lyric and then adding the text and then making sure it's at the right time and the right size. And there's also automatic updates and free cloud storage on here. I would also use this for like school projects, but you can collaborate with a team and work on one project with multiple members. So you guys can try out the CapCut online video editor down below. Just having the creative freedom and the tools to do everything and not need a bunch of editing skills to make really cool videos is just insane. I'm walking in the hallway and I'm like, what is that? Is that a dead fly? Liv's like, yeah. And I'm like, okay, so who's gonna pick it up? And I said, I don't want to pick it up. And she's like, no, I kind of like it. He's literally dead.
That happen in your house?
No.
Happens all the time in my house.
Why is it on the floor?
They die. They just die. Like they fall out of the sky.
Yeah, but he's flat.
He's flat. Okay, I will get it.
Thank you.
Can you get me a paper towel?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. bunch of Amazon orders of random things. This is an assortment of random things. So I got these, these curtains, which I'm going to put above my desk because the curtains that are there right now let too much light in, and I have an east-facing window. So at like 6 a.m. it's so light in my room, even with the curtain closed. So I'm gonna change this out tonight. That'll be my activity tonight. I do that tonight. And then I got some face razors. I forgot mine at home, and these are, honestly, I just like the color. Let's just be honest. These are the Derma planers. Okay, so my mom showed me this video of this girl that forgot her Stanley in her car overnight, and then she drank out of the straw, and there was a cockroach in the straw. So from now on, I have these little straw caps. The cloud comes off, and then you sip it like that, and then you just put the cap on. Yeah. Oh, hi. And then it also comes in pink.
Oh, I want one.
Everyone needs this ice tray. If you see those TikToks of people making iced coffees with a little scooper, so the top is square, and it's super easy to push out because you just push on those little things. Okay, it doesn't look good.
Okay,
messed up.
take those ones out and then put it in the
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
they don't look good, do they?
no, they don't.
In theory,
No, but they were good yesterday.
this is what it looks like. Look how fun that is.
It's like one of those fidget toys.
We need to
go. Okay, so we just came back from getting groceries.
That was a workout.
That was, and we don't have an elevator in our building, so we had to go up 2 flights of stairs. But it's fine. We got so much. We got and we forgot bags, like grocery bags.
And
so
I was getting
filled
this
this.
anyways, so
We're really resourceful like that. So now we're just gonna play music and put them away.
yeah, I'm really hungry and I have to shower. There's so much to do. Not
There's so much to do.
Yeah, but do it right. Yeah, I just put my.
Dan's calling me.
Today, we're putting away groceries.
Floor food part
No, they literally.
20. Okay, but this is a finished thing.
It's one of my favorite meals.
Like, I can't believe this took us like what, 10 minutes to make?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's rice, avocado, bok choy, sriracha.
Sesame mayo.
Okay. Wait, ow. Okay, ow. I have to get all the flavors in.
I'm so excited for you to try this. You can get Liv's reaction too.
Oh, that tastes like restaurant.
Oh.
It's not too overpowering. I forgot to say there's also salmon in here. I feel like I'm gonna film so many mukbangs.
We froze a bunch of rice in serving sizes.
That's a good tip, actually.
I need to set up my Apple Watch.
You have an Apple Watch?
Yeah, I do, but it was connected to my old phone. Then I got my phone from you, and then I didn't connect it to that.
Yeah, she has my old phone.
Not the stolen one. That one's still gone.
That one is. I honestly don't even really know how it happened.
It's because everybody was like talking to us, and then I saw my friend from
Yeah, she was
home.
coming.
I went to go say hi. Yeah, it
For
was,
5 seconds, and we came back and the guy was gone. Oh, you're done. I just broke it glass.
Oh
No, but yeah, like volume at the top. They're going out.
I don't know if I should wear this.
No, I think you should.
The difference between us is I'm drinking tea and putting away my laundry while they're going out.
It is a ripe time of 9:54 p.m. and I'm just going to sit here and edit all night. I'm so excited. I just went for a walk with Evan, then he drove me home, and now I'm just going to sit here and chill. I just kind of wanted to do a little update. Like, I feel really good about this school year. Like, last year I feel like I had a more, and my classes don't start for 2 days, but I'm still like prepping myself for it mentally. But last year I feel like I had a more not do work for a few days and I would do everything. Like, I would cram in. Also, I put so much pressure on myself to get the highest grades possible, but now I'm realizing, like, yes, of course I'm probably going to get good grades anyways, like just to take that stress off of myself. And also I'm doing other things like co-op and I have work experience, so just taking that stress off, because honestly the same thing is going to end up happening. Like, the outcome is probably going to be the same, just with or without being stressed, and that is completely up to you. It's completely your choice, the way that you choose to think about things. So I'm really just trying to keep a positive and calm mindset. But as you guys might be able to tell, my voice is kind of going because I've been screaming so much. Like, I've just been so excited, and I'm a very animated person, as you guys know, and my voice is probably going to be gone tomorrow. I'm on Actualizer right now, and I'm just going to get some work done tonight and go to bed early. Make sure to subscribe and check out my digital products on my Etsy shop, Actualizer Co. And make sure to check out CapCut Online Video Editor, guys. It's actually such an amazing tool, and I wish more people knew about this, because I feel like all content creators feel like they need to spend hundreds of dollars on editing software when you really don't, even for YouTube videos. So I will put the link down below and you can go straight to it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.